I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm telling you. Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Hey, hold this man in the first place.
Aujourd'hui aussi, c'est le monde part en couille. Non. J'ai du mal à imaginer. Regardez ce truc.
Momo, you think say they wise? Momo man.